In today's video, let's talk about the way that you can fix the TikTok playback error. If the videos inside of TikTok are not playing out, the first thing that you can do is to make sure that your internet connection is stable. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to your cellular data and try to check if that is the issue. If that is not the issue for you, then what you can do is try to clear up some cache of the TikTok app. So head over to the three lines on the top right, head over to settings and privacy, scroll down and then head over to free up space. Right here you'll see the option of cache. You can just tap on the clear option. Once you do this step, you can just head out and remove the TikTok from your recent list and then try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of TikTok from your phone and then again re-download it. Once you do this step, you'll get the newest version of TikTok and any bugs which may be causing the issue will also be immediately solved out. So that's pretty much all there is in the way that you fix the TikTok playback error.